dust.
That's it for Voyager, guys. They bit the dust. They took all of Anya's crypto. They've stopped any and all deposits, withdrawals, trades, anything like that. We'll keep you updated as I can, but for now, let's go check out their actual update. We're going to run through this real quick. It's just a Voyager update from July 1st today. This is really unfortunate, guys, because I'm going to be real. I know I said Anya had all her crypto, but it was actually me that uses Voyager Exchange. Today, Voyager made the difficult but necessary decision to temporarily suspend trading, deposits, withdrawals, and loyalty rewards effective at 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on July 1st. This provides time to continue exploring strategic alternatives and preserve the value of the platform that we have built together. We are in discussions with various parties and will provide additional information at the appropriate time. They continue to give very vague answers to all of these questions. So very basically, just to run through it, when will I be able to access assets on the platform? Who knows? They don't even know. Is the app still working? I can confirm that I can still check the value of my crypto, but I can't do anything on the platform. I can't withdraw, I can't deposit. And this really sucks because I was really considering taking the funds out like maybe 2 days ago just because I saw on Reddit and I just saw rumors of this happening and, well, lesson learned. Hopefully Voyager will be able to recover. Luckily, I don't have a Voyager debit card, but if you do, your debit card's not going to work either. You can't withdraw. What does exploring strategic alternatives mean? Is Voyager up for sale? They don't answer that question either. We're in discussions with various parties regarding additional liquidity and the go-forward strategy for the company. While we don't have anything else to share today, we are working diligently and hope to have more information soon. So, what is happening at Three Arrows Capital? Why haven't they repaid your loans? Press reports state they have been forced into liquidation. What does this mean? They're not going to answer very many questions besides the fact that they're pursuing 3AC about this. Basically what happened, Three Arrows Capital is an investment firm that took a bunch of loans out from various companies, and Voyager happened to loan them like a lot of money, hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars. And Three Arrows Capital took that, put it in a massive high-risk trade with heavy leverage, and they were liquidated. Their margin called, and because of that, they cannot pay back any of the loans, including the one to Voyager. So because of that, Voyager's out of hundreds of millions of dollars. So FTX did bail them out of about $500 million worth of cash, stablecoins, and Bitcoin. It remains to be seen what that's actually going to look like in the long term. I'm hoping that Voyager will be able to make it out of this. I'm hopeful because my crypto's in there. So I won't be able to trade for a little bit. I got to stock up funds in other exchanges, but at this point I'm seriously considering looking into a cold storage wallet just because I really don't want to lose any more crypto. That sucks. But for now, I'm just going to keep dollar cost averaging. That's the update. They haven't put anything else out. Obviously, a lot of people are enraged just all over Twitter. But overall, this sucks. Voyager probably won't be the last one, so if you're on an exchange, please be very careful. Pay tons and tons of attention to whatever exchange you're using. And yeah, all I have to say is good luck. It's becoming the Wild West out there. So hope you're quick on the draw. Keep yourself very informed about what your exchange is doing, and good luck.